a world-class trauma center that serves the entire Rocky Mountain region right here in Denver. Hello, welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Beverly Weaver, and joining me now is Dr. Jerry Jurkovich, the Chief of Surgery and Trauma Services at Denver Health Medical Center. Welcome, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Beverly. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about this trauma center. Certainly a regional trauma center brings, a different milestone, a different standard of care that you really have to support. What is unique about the trauma center at Denver Health?
First of all, trauma centers are an integral part of healthcare for a region. Trauma, injury, people getting hurt in car crashes, industrial accidents, domestic falls at home, happens so commonly that it's the most common cause of loss of life from 0 to age 44.
Really?
Yeah, because of that, more people lose productive years of life lost to trauma than all other diseases combined. So a serious public health problem.
Yeah.
So having a hospital that's dedicated to providing trauma care is an important part of the health of a region. And Denver Health's really been serving that region for almost 150 years in that role.
And let's talk, Dr. Jerry, about the fact that it is a world-class trauma center, because you have some things offered there that we don't see in trauma centers across the country.
That's correct. Trauma centers are sort of graded by their capabilities, with grade 1 being considered the highest level of trauma care provided. And a grade 1 trauma center, like Denver Health is, provides 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year, every resource that you need to care for an injured person, whether it's brain trauma, spine trauma, amputated extremity, reimplantation, the entire spectrum, 24 hours ICU care. It's that part of it that makes it special. But what makes Denver Health really unique to the region is it's also an academic training center, strongly affiliated with the University of Colorado, has residents, students, trainees, and part of its mission isn't just to provide that level of trauma care, but also to train the next generation of physicians to do the same.
Right. Now, I know Denver Health is nationally recognized, certainly, as a place where other cities kind of model some of their health care. What is so important in what you offer, and really what would be missing from the community if you weren't there?
Yeah. Well, Denver Health is considered a safety net hospital. That is, it provides care for anyone regardless of their ability to pay from our Denver region. So having that type of hospital that doesn't limit who they provide for by whether they have insurance or jobs is a huge resource to the community. So that's number one, that it's able to provide that resource. The fact that it provides a 24-hour day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year ability to care for any injured means that all the citizens of Colorado have a place that they know is going to be there for them no matter what happens
regardless,
to them.
Regardless, yeah. And certainly in these economic times, it is harder for some people. And I know you have a foundation that really supports what you do at Denver Health. Tell me how people can be involved in that.
Sure. The Denver Health Foundation is a philanthropic organization that serves to help offset some of the hundreds of millions of dollars of charity care that Denver Health gives away a year.
Yeah.
I think $400 to $500 million every year of charity care that it gives away. So the Denver Health Foundation helps the patients, helps the physicians, helps the hospitals. Its main goal really is to help patients and their families who don't have the resources when they get struck by a tragedy, to help them cope with that time.
Right.
And an important part of our organization.
And really kind of the heart of the community, I would say, maybe, is to support people who don't necessarily have the means always to pay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Where can people go, Doctor, to get more information on what Denver Health is doing and also the foundation?
Well, the best start is either denverhealth.org or denverhealthfoundation.org. Those two websites serve as good resources.
All right. Dr. Jerry Jurkovich, the Chief of Surgery and Trauma Services at Denver Health Medical Center. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Thanks, Bev. Thanks for having me.
And thanks for watching Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Beverly Weaver.